Scottie,
What?
can you tell me about the backhoe?
The backhoe.
Was it on a truck?
Yeah.
What was it doing?
On the road. And was that a backhoe? You know.
Really?
And the guy picked the ladders down.
He put the ladders down?
Yeah, he picked the ladders down the road.
Really?
Yeah, that was pretty funny.
That was pretty funny.
Yeah.
Did you get to sit in the backhoe?
No, I didn't.
How come?
I didn't.
How come?
Because the guy didn't tell me.
He didn't tell you? Oh, so you didn't drive it? No.
No, I didn't drive it. That will be bumpy.
Oh, really?
And that will be bumpy.
Oh, it would be bumpy if you rode in the backhoe. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
And the guy didn't lift me.
He went with you? No? So you just watched the backhoe on the truck then? You just watched it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I just the backhoe is the backing up.
What was backing up? Did it say beep, beep, beep?
No, the flashing light was flashing.
Really? The flashing light was flashing?